welcome to a very exciting video. I have been preparing for this for a couple months now and I am so freakishly excited. This is a tea swabby boxiness. Basically, I got a box, it is full of tea, and I do not know what is in it. My friend Isa from Isagination, she has a channel here on the YouTubes and has been a friend of mine for a few years now. She's great, go check her out. She makes travel and food and lifestyle content. Just go look it up. She's also opening up her box, which I sent her over on her channel, and I cannot wait to see what she thinks. I really hope she likes it. That's all I'm gonna say. I really hope she likes it. So Isa, I hope you enjoyed it. So I have my box from her and it looks a bit like this. It came all the way from Switzerland, so it's got a little bit destroyed. I hope it's all still in here. I can see some purpliness, so that's been tormenting me. I've had this box for over 2 weeks now because I was really bad at sending mine. This, by the way, is Lemonade by BLUEBIRD Tea Co. And it is currently on their poll for the come back as like a seasonal, not a seasonal, as a full-time tea. Do it. This one, I'm so upset that it didn't make it through the last round of these. So if you can, even if you haven't done it, vote for that for me because this is an absolutely amazing tea. It is stunning, it is gorgeous, it is flavorful, it is everything that you could ever want in a all year round brew. I should really stop talking about this and start talking about this box, shouldn't I? Either way, please go vote for Lemonade for me on the BLUEBIRD Tea Co. poll. Please. I have a table in front of me because I was smart this time. I kind of just want to rip it open from where it's already ripped open, but I'm gonna... Fudge, how do I open this? Isa, what did you do? We're just gonna go for a weird, I'm just gonna cut off the entire top. And flip. Oh yay, cardboard. There's a lot of purple. And... Wow. This is what I am seeing right now. It looks beautiful and stunning, and it looks like there is a lot more fun things in here besides just tea. Yellow piece of paper. Ooh, it's double-sided! Okay. Dear Kathy, I'm so excited that this has finally happened, and I can't wait to see you opening my parcel. Haha, smiley face. Me too. So here's a little bit of backstory on everything. Okay, let's just look at everything, and then I'll read the backstory. Maybe? Let's actually go one item by one item. Clipper, organic, Earl Grey tea! I've had this one. I love this one. I actually can't get Clipper very easily here. I have to find it at like Marshall's or something. This one just has a really nice balanced flavor and it's one of my staples. Yeah. This is a different kind of box than what we get though. I like this box. Next, Blutorange Tee. Where? Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. Okay. First of all, just kind of want to... I'm such a dork. Take that off your Where's the blood orange? I feel like I'm ruining this, but I need to find the blood orange tea. Oh my gosh, there's so many things in here. What's this one? What are you? No? Oh, I don't know what that is, but I'm getting excited. Oh my goodness, what are you? I don't even know. Blood orange. Where's the blood orange tea? Oh wait, they have numbers attached. Where's number 2? We'll come back to number 2. Number 3. Words I can't pronounce. So Lapsang. This one? Yeah, this one. It is a China Lapsang Souchong tea, and it's smoked black tea from China. One of my newest discoveries, and I really, all caps, hope you've never tried it. Smoked tea is just what reminds me of a cup of somewhere in a mountain around a fireplace. That sounds like fun. This is a Swedish brand. I have tried a Lapsang before, but I've never tried from this brand, so let's do it. I'll put on my fireplace app and cozy up. Number 4, a little taster of my favorite Pukka teas. That must be these. This is this. It's a ginseng matcha tea. That was an awkward face, wasn't it? This looks good. I might have one of those today. I'm probably gonna have all these today. No, Kathy, do not have all these today. Number 5. I only have a huge 10 of this one, so I've made you a sample. This is the best tea to fall asleep to / with, so I hope this helps. It is also delicious. That's so sweet. I have trouble sleeping. I think I've mentioned this in a lot of videos, so I am excited. Which one is number 5? Number 5, where are you? Oh, number 5, down here, down here. Yeah, number 5. English Tea Shop, calming blend. Smooth licorice, peppermint, lavender, and cinnamon. I'm just gonna open this one up because it's done with a little twisty tie. I haven't even shown you. These are little puppy post-it notes. You know me too well. And they're in Christmas bags, like that's even better. Ooh. That does smell really good. Okay, I'm definitely having this one tonight. I still need to find number 2. Oh, this one. This was number 2. On her note it says Blutorange Tee, but it has Blutorange Tee? I'm guessing that is not English, so that's probably why I didn't know. Okay, so it's one of these again from the De La Tea in Zurich. Oh, I'm just so excited for this. This one is from my local tea shop where the lovely lady lets me sniff all the teas. I already love your lovely lady. I want to meet her. This is a black tea with blood orange pieces, packaged in Switzerland. Oh, I can smell all these. How have I not been smelling these? Okay, we're going to smell this one, then we're going to go back and smell the other one. But I don't have a blood orange tea, but I love blood orange flavored things. Mackerel! Wow! Oh my goodness. Let's go back and smell it Lapsang real fast because I gotta. We go back to there goes gravity. Ooh, that does smell like a smoky fireplace cabin in the woods that's safe but not gonna be haunted and broken into. Wow, I went really dark with that, but that feels like a nice, safety, cozy cabin. Fireplace. Under warm wool blankets and socks. I realize that rambled off really weird. I'm really liking this. This reminds me of a Smoky Russian, but the Smoky Russian was almost too campfire-y for me. But this, how am I gonna pick? How am I gonna pick what I'm gonna try first? I don't think there's gonna be a pick here. I think I'm gonna have to just reach my hand in and try things. Number 6, a little sample of my favorite tea from Germany. You can almost taste the ocean. Here's number 6. Number 6. Oh, there's number 6. Sanddorn See, S-E-E, by Lebensbaum. I cannot read this. I do not know my German, but it looks delicious. Number 7. You said you've never had a nice ginger tea. ... So maybe this could be it? You're sneaky. I did this to you too. This is from Sirocco, which I've never had. It's a ginger lemon dream. It's a herbal. Cool. I will try this and I will tell you if it makes me like ginger tea. Number 8. This one is extra special. Okay. Done. I don't even read the rest. I should try this right now. It's a garden tea from my family garden. Oh my gosh, Isa! Everything is grown organically by us, and it's a nice herbal blend that reminds me of summer. Humming of the bees and tea drying in the summer sun. I'm really excited for this one now. Beautiful mountain green tea. Peppermint, rosine. You squished your words! Indian blossom, calendula, and dandelion. This is stunning. I need to message you to ask how much to put in because this won't fit in one of my scoopy scoops. Oh, Isa! This is amazing. Okay. So far, this is definitely the winner. This is stunning. You guys make this? Well, that means that whenever I run out, I'm going to shoot you a text like, hey, will you mail me some more? That made me really, really happy. Thank you, Isa. Flipping the page. And finally, popcorn tea! She sent me a message after I put up my popcorn tea video, just like, dang it, Kathy. Now that you've already tried one, you can compare this one and see if it's actually popcorn flavored. Ronnefeldt Popcorn Love limited edition with everything else that I cannot pronounce. Thank you. I will definitely see if that is better than the last popcorn tea that I tried. Now there's some other goodies in here. It says, now I also thought that you need some cozy socks to snuggle in while sipping a cuppa. And aren't these super cute? Okay, I thought I saw something like this in the side. Oh my goodness, there's foxes on them! They got little ears and everything. These are adorable. Then of course I could not send you some Swiss chocolate. I've heard that people in Switzerland like chocolate, so I'm very excited to try this. I even found a traditional Easter bunny already. Lastly, there are two kinds of biscuits to dunk in your tea. Oh my goodness, I love biscuits. I haven't had biscuits in so long. One with chocolate on top, super traditionally Swiss, and the other Zuri-Tirggel. I'm sure I messed that up completely. Specialty from Zurich, which contains honey on the inside. The way to eat this is to just take a bite in your mouth and wait until the honey sips out. It's so good. That sounds so good. Okay, so I got some Pralinor chocolate. I know it's really early in the day right now and I haven't had lunch yet, but I'm kind of thinking I need to try some chocolate. And, oh, you are so cute! I have a lot of chocolate to eat now. Okay, the biscuits. This one is the traditional Swiss biscuit with the chocolate on top. We're just gonna open this. I can't hold myself back anymore. Let's see what we got. These are really pretty. They have people playing musical instruments on them. That is not something I've seen before. Let's try Mr. Cello. This is really good. The biscuit is really, really crunchy, and then the chocolate is just so smooth on top. These are really damn good. These are definitely gonna be a problem. And then the Zuri-Tirggel. These are massive! How am I supposed to eat this? That won't all fit in my mouth. So it is this, and it looks like it's one whole thing. Do I just break it and then I eat it? Again, it is too early to be eating this, but I don't care right now because I don't want it. They look like little wafers. And what is this? This is either a snowman or someone farming. Just the craftsmanship. These are stunning. Take a bite in your mouth and wait a while until the honey seeps out. So how long does it take? It gets sweet. This is fun. Okay, that's really good. So that's amazing. It's not exactly wafery, but it's a thin, hard, small biscuit. And then it just kind of starts like, it doesn't ooze like what normal filling does. It just kind of seeps out a little bit and makes it really sweet. I would put this in my mouth, but I should probably wait until after this video. I really hope you enjoy all the goodies, and I really hope that one day we'll meet in person and can hug, drink all the tea, and chat together. That'd be awesome. Take care and see you soon on YouTube. I am so excited for that. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is absolutely amazing and stunning. And there is definitely this hay parsley mist all over me, and I don't even care. I'll vacuum it up later. That was really, 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 really fun, and I am completely ecstatic to try all of these, especially the, oh gosh, which one? I'm mostly excited, I think, for the ones from your local tea shop, and then the one, of course, from your own garden. Like, that's just gonna be amazing. I'm gonna set aside a special time to try that one out whenever I'm not rushed or anything, because I bet it's gonna be really good. That's it for this video. I will have Issa's video linked down below where she opens up my box. I am really, really stoked to see what she thinks because I went a little bit nuts. I went it's me, it's tea, I have a lot. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Tell me down below what kind of tea I should try and what is your favorite local blends that you have, because I am based out of Missouri in the US, so I get whatever we can get in the US and then I order some elsewhere. But tell me what your favorite blends are, because I would love to know. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you all in the next one. Bye everyone.